found this one just this last week or this last month that was really cool. Actually, let's try this to start off. It's not really yoga, but I saw this guy do it on this podcast that I listened to, and I thought, that is cool. Let's try this. I've never done this before, ever, with a class. Okay, here's what I want you to stand up. This feels yoga, only it's not slow stretching. So what I need you to do is get yourself so that you have room. So like when you do this, you don't hit anybody. You need that much space. Your arms are going to go out. Okay? So if you need to... Okay, so here's what I want you to do. Get your feet so that they're planted about shoulder width high, or wide, I mean. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your hands out like this, and you're just going to twist, and I want this hand, when you twist, to hit your body, somewhere on your shoulders, your here, and then you're going to go this way. And you're just going to, like a windmill? It's not a windmill. But and you turn your head that way too. Turn your head as far as you can, and just let your hand hit your body. But really try to push it. This is really, really good for your spine. I don't hear any slapping. Don't touch your body, slap it. All right, so you do that for about 1 minute. I tried that, and I thought, I love that. That just gets my spine, I don't know, somehow. Maybe it's like chiropractics only on yourself. When just about everywhere you look online, and just about every class that I've ever seen, and I don't recommend, I'm not saying you got to go to classes to do yoga. In fact, I don't think I've been to a yoga class in a decade. You should be able to do this on your own, and it's great to go to classes. I'm not saying don't go to classes, but I love that this is something I can do at my house too.